Located on the west side of Port Angeles, Deer Park Substation is one of 19 PUD substations powering Clallam County. After 38 years of continuous service, the transformer in the substation was approaching its full load capacity. A new and much larger capacity transformer was specified and purchased to replace the old one. A massive mobile crane is brought to the substation to lift the old transformer out. Multiple counterweights weighing 20 to 40 tons each are placed on the crane to counterbalance the lift. The crane is capable of lifting a maximum total weight of 275 tons. Lifting a 54-ton transformer is easy work for this impressive machine. The new replacement transformer was staged for delivery at the PUD's Carlsberg Operations Center. At 70 tons, the new transformer is much heavier than the old one, but still an easy lift for this crane. Carefully loaded and secured to a lowboy, the new transformer begins its 10-mile journey to the substation. PUD crews assist in the move by moving low-hanging communication wires out of the way. The truck and trailer weigh 80,000 pounds. The transformer weighs 140,000 pounds. Altogether, this is 220,000 pounds, or 110 tons of very precious and expensive cargo rolling down the road. A separate lowboy brings the counterweights to the site. The crane is maneuvered into position inside of the substation in preparation for the lift. Heavy weights are once again added to counterbalance the lift. The new transformer is lifted from the lowboy and carefully moved into position. Costing nearly $2 million and taking nearly 1.5 years to receive after the order was placed, the transformer is a very expensive and indispensable piece of equipment. Skilled crews carefully monitor every step of the lift to ensure nothing goes wrong. Providing power to over 2,200 PUD customers, the transformer is also a vital asset to the PUD's energy infrastructure. The new transformer has now arrived at its final destination, bringing clean, reliable energy to Clallam County PUD customers for many years to come.